As I stand before you today, I am overwhelmed with joy and gratitude. My life has been filled with joy and purpose from the day we started dating on November 10th, 2020. Today, I, Handson Menyoung, choose you, Robin Nicole Alquist, to be my beloved wife. In this life, my most faithful companion and my trusted friend. Thank you for accepting me for all that I am. I promise to be faithful and supportive, and to always make our family's love and happiness my utmost priority. I vow to have the patience that love demands, to speak when words are needed, and to be silent when they are not. I promise to cherish and respect you, to support and encourage you in all your dreams. I promise to laugh with you in times of joy and to comfort you in times of sorrow. I promise to be understanding, forgiving, and patient, knowing that we are imperfect beings. On this journey together, I promise to build a life with you filled with love, laughter, and adventure. I vow to be your husband in every sense of the word, to stand by your side through all the challenges and triumphs that life may bring. Today, I give you my hand and my heart as a sanctuary of warmth and peace. Sweetie, I pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor as I join my life to yours. I love you more than words can express. Here to March 17th, 2024. Yours only, Handson Menyoung.
Handson Menyoung. Today I stand before you, believing God has brought us together in His perfect timing. I am forever grateful for the journey we have been on thus far. Handson, you are the love of my life. I love so many things about you, like how you listen without judgment, ask good questions, and are humble, supportive, hilarious, and visionary. You are my lifelong teammate and best friend. So now before you, God, and our family and friends, I make a commitment to you. I vow to love and honor you, all the different versions of you. I promise to walk with you when the way is easy or difficult, when we are healthy or sick, when we are in need or when we are in plenty. I choose you over any other person, forsaking all else. My eyes and body are yours. I promise to be an emotionally safe space for you. I vow to listen to your ideas, honor your culture, champion your dreams, respect your needs, be honest with you, add laughter to our home, affirm you for who you are, and work by your side to create a life and family centered on God's redemptive love, here in the United States or Liberia or wherever we find ourselves. And because I am human and won't do these things perfectly, I vow in conflict and misunderstanding to seek to understand where you are coming from. I will pursue reconciliation, admit when I am wrong, request forgiveness, and ask our Ava how to love and serve you. I am so incredibly excited to adventure and keep growing with you on this short side of heaven. By God's grace, I hope we can hold each other when we are wrinkled and frail. It is a gift to happily choose you as my husband. From this day forward, to death do us part. You are mine and I am yours. I couldn't imagine life with anyone else. So in the presence of God, I make these vows to you. I love you.